There you go. Hi everyone, I'm Coco. Thanks so much for checking out our WinWyn YouTube channel, coming to you from beautiful Alexandroupoli, Greece. You're looking to slim down and shape up, or you want to be more energized and sleep better, be more productive, or simply you just want more enjoyment out of life, WinWyn's got you covered. We all know that our health and our ability to age well can be enhanced by eating the right foods, moving our bodies regularly, and avoiding stress. Seems like there's a new health expert, diet, and workout app popping up every other day. This can leave us feeling a little bit overwhelmed, especially since there is so much conflicting information out there. Each expert's claim completely contradicted by another's, and they all have the science to back them. Whew! Personally, I have felt really confused. I followed one expert's advice after another, only to find myself right back to where I started. My desperate search led me to return to my studies and become a certified nutrition and wellness instructor. What's more, I went to India to study yoga, and I became a yoga teacher, and most recently I completed a face yoga instructor course. Now, I don't claim to be an expert, nor do I have all of the answers, but I do have a burning desire to help others, and I have learned a lot through my own experiences and my studies. So, if you're looking for a balanced life and some advice, tips, or simply need some inspiration from a real person looking to take charge of her life and health one step at a time, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be the very first to get all of our tips, hacks, and tutorials, as well as expert interviews that will help you get the most out of your life. If you're joining us for the first time, please make sure to introduce yourself in the comment box. Our goal is to create a community of friends ready to support one another. We're all on our own unique journey. If you've got suggestions or questions that you'd like answered, please add them to the comments, because most of our weekly topics will come from the questions that you guys ask. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I look forward to meeting you down in the comments. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.